Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. This is 2008 Toyota Prius. And this one's kind of famous. It was the first one in our area, in our little rural area, where this vehicle was the first target of the catalytic converter thieves here. That's that story when 5 a.m. Sunday morning, 5 a.m., the neighbor was walking the dog or something, and she saw a bunch of scumbags trying or starting to cut the catalytic converter on this Prius. So they saw her, she called cops. They were caught later, actually, the same day in the Motel 6. Very typical, right? That's where they go, that's where they stay. So you are saying, oh, what do you mean? They just tried and didn't succeed. Well, guess what? These people, the owners, left to go visit in Portland, that wonderful dying city in Oregon. And guess what happened? Boom! Right away, they lost the catalytic converter. So this is the story the owner told me. He said, oh, did you know our catalytic converter was stolen? I said, no, you said it was attempted. So this car has apparently no chance to be left alone, and I'm not sure why they didn't come back to me for installing the cat shield. You know that we did videos on the cat shield. That's, in my opinion, the best product, and it will, that's a little rock, it will come right here, this will come right here and protect the catalytic converter, and most likely the thieves will turn on different vehicle. So this is what I got while being away from their home. This was done in Portland, and I asked the details just to share that with you. This was done by some local catalyst or muffler shop. They call this catalytic converter, and it goes to the owner cash right there, $800. So if they had a shield for $300 or $350, whatever you pay for the labor and the part, there was a chance that the thieves will move on different Prius. Of course, that's questionable. Some of you will say, no, they will cut it off anyway. Well, it depends on the situation, how much time they have and so on. So, this is not ending. The unit which you saw in the vehicle for $800, it's not California compliant. There is still check engine light. And apparently, I didn't look, but the owner said, yeah, I have a catalyst inefficiency. So if he wants to sell this vehicle right now, he can't. It will not pass the smoke, or he will take a huge loss on the price, and so on and so on. So it didn't end for them. They have some kind of temporary fix, which was $800, but the vehicle is not to its spec. So obviously that's an argument. This whole story, it's an argument for purchasing and installing that shield, because it may have prevented this from happening. So I just wanted to share that with you. I know nobody's talking about it anymore. Everybody kind of forgot about it. It's not a topic. But if you have a Prius like this, you have to have the shield. It just confirms that the thieves are still on it. They still keep cutting them off and making money on that. So just sharing that. I hope you find it helpful, and be subscribed. I have way more coming your way soon. Catch you later, alligator.